Hello and welcome back to SciTi Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple 9-volt battery PC fan with using a few simple parts. Let's get started. And these are the items you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need: a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery connector, and a PC cooling fan. Now let's go and assemble this project and let's get started. First I'm going to take the 9-volt battery connector. This side's positive, goes over the positive wire. This side's negative, goes over the negative wire. Turn it over. And then solder the wires into place. Solder the positive to positive, the negative to negative. And there, it is now connected just like this. Next, put a little bit of hot glue on the side. And now take the 9-volt battery connector and glue it into place. Hold it into place, and then add some more hot glue to glue it all the way around the sides to make sure it stays in place better. And there, now it's securely glued into place. And now let's go and test it out. Take the 9-volt battery, plug it in, and there, as you can see, it works. And now see how strong the fan is. I have right here some cut up pieces of paper, and it blows away just like this. And there, as you can see, this fan puts off a nice amount of thrust. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a very simple 9-volt battery PC fan with using a few simple parts. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future SciTi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.